Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the volume of built-in speakers on your Philips 276B. To change the volume, simply go to the OK button, which will enter the menu. Now, go down to Audio, click on OK, and now you'll be able to select the volume. Just once you're pointing on volume, click on OK and use the down or up arrows to adjust the volume. I'll set it to maybe 50 and remember to approve the change with the OK button. And it's changed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.